Hey, shalom, 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 Yasha Allah. All praises to Yahweh Bashem Mashiach Yahushai. Just coming at y'all on a late night tip, right, from the cold LBC, Cali. Just got in from camp with H.O.I Los Angeles. It's a chilly night in LA, man. Felt like I was in New York, goddammit. Right, from a cold camp, but the word of the Most High was fire on Hollywood and Highland. Just getting in on a late night tip. But I came to y'all to make an announcement. All right, I am Salakia, y'all. I'm getting my frankincense and myrrh going. I should have had that burning before. So, quick announcement, Israel. It's been a long day. Before I take it down, I want to make a quick announcement. And it's basically to let y'all know, anybody in the New Orleans, Louisiana area, anybody in the New Orleans, Louisiana area, this is a quick announcement. H.O.I Nationwide. H.O.I Nationwide will be having a Unity Camp weekend and pre-Passover class celebration in New Orleans. All right, it will be a 4-day weekend. Salakia, a 4-day weekend starting Friday, March 11th, through Tuesday, March 15th. All praise to Yahweh and Yahweh Shai. So basically next weekend. So any of you brothers that are in the New Orleans, Louisiana area or the surrounding states, contact me, inbox me here on my Facebook or email me at houseofisraelnyc@gmail.com. houseofisraelnyc@gmail.com. All right, I want to put this video out for you brothers and sisters before next week, before the trip comes, so that, you know, anybody in the New Orleans area can come out. So basically, it will be a 4-day weekend gathering. Bear with me, y'all. I'm testing out this new camera stand, playing around with it, you know. Can y'all see me a little bit better? All right, it don't matter. Damn it, if y'all can't see my ugly face, at least y'all can hear me, hear what I'm saying. But listen up. For the brothers and sisters, once again, y'all know I repeat things 20,000 times. The brothers and sisters in the New Orleans area. All right, Salaki, I meant to do this video like a week ago, but I just came in from teaching at the camp, late night in Hollywood. My energy was still up, you know, a little bit before I take it down. So I wanted to make this announcement video because we are less than a week away from this gathering in New Orleans. So, once again, H.O.I Nationwide, I believe I'm the only one coming from the West Coast. I'll be flying in from L.A., New York. 1 or 2 brothers from New York is coming. Atlanta is coming. Memphis is coming. So we're going to be about 10 to 12 deep down in New Orleans. H.O.I from different states. All right, so we will be in New Orleans, Louisiana, next weekend starting Friday, March 11th. The itinerary is as such, and we'll post the itinerary later on today, most I will. Friday, March 11th at even, it will be a travel, settling in day. Traveling/settling in day. Salakia, let me get this bright ass light out of my face. Oh, Salakia. All right, I'm going to leave 1 light on instead of 2. Saturday, Shabbat. Saturday, Shabbat, March 12th, we will be having camp somewhere downtown in the French Quarter. Location is still to be announced. So we will get back to y'all about the location of the camp on the Shabbat and the time, because we're still figuring that out. But that's what's going on for Saturday, Shabbat, March 12th, down in New Orleans, camp in the French Quarter. Time and location will still be announced. Shalom, Yeshaya. H.O.I Philly in the building. Shalom. Shalom, Crystal. Also, well, the next day, Sunday, March 13th. Sunday, March 13th, we will be having a family day cookout gathering. Okay, a family day cookout gathering. Also, inbox me here or email me, houseofisraelnyc@gmail.com to get the information for that. All right. Um, Monday, March 14th at even, it will be a pre-Passover class ceremony and gathering. All right. We have new brothers and sisters down in the New Orleans area that would like to be edified about the Passover coming from a Christian background. So we will be doing a class and a gather. We're going to go through like an actual Passover. Even though we told the brothers and sisters the actual Passover is in April, but in their zeal, they calculated it wrong because of the intercalary month. So they already set it up. They had paid for the venue, whatever. So we're going to still do a pre-Passover lesson in class and ceremony for the brothers and sisters. But we'll still have our H.O.I Passover in Atlanta, April 14th. So that's the itinerary. All the events are going to be invite only, except for well, there's only three events. Friday is just a traveling, settling in day. But the Sunday's event, the cookout, and Monday's event, the Passover class ceremony, is only going to be invite only if you're in the New Orleans area. So you have to inbox me or email me to get personally invited. I have to vet you as best as I can, and you can be invited. So we want our brothers and sisters, come on out. If you support H.O.I, you're a follower of H.O.I, come on out on March 11th through 15th for fellowship with H.O.I in the New Orleans area. Lord willing, we will be there if he say the same. If our planes land safely and our vehicles drive there safely, we'll be in New Orleans next weekend. All of my New Orleans Hebrews that are supporters of H.O.I, followers, members, whatever the case may be, come on out and support. Now, like I said, the two events, Sunday and Monday's event, are invite only, but everybody can come out to the camp on the Shabbat. So spread the word if you're in the New Orleans area. If you're in a state near the New Orleans area, still come out and congregate with H.O.I. All right. What is that? Somebody asked to I don't know who that is, but anyway, back to the fact of the matter. Maybe we didn't even mean to do that. I don't know. All right, but anyway, if you're in the New Orleans area, come on out, our brothers and sisters. We want y'all to come out, support. Oh, like I was saying, anybody can come to the camp. The camp will be outside. It will be public. It's going to be somewhere in the French Quarter. We're going to have the direct location as soon as possible, so you can make your travel plans. Come on downtown. Come on down to the French Quarter, you know, where all the action is at, and come on out and hear the word, all right? Come bring your support, whatever, and come hear the word. So that's what's going on, Israel. Any questions, inbox me here at Zabach, Kanai Zabach on Facebook, or email me at houseofisraelnyc@gmail.com. So once again, H.O.I nationwide, Unity Camp, and Passover, pre-Passover class lesson weekend in New Orleans, Louisiana. All right, and the Big Easy. The Big Easy is not so easy at all sometimes. It's uneasy sometimes. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's uneasy. But the bottom line is, come on out, Israel, and fellowship. All right? Shalom. Stephen LaShawn Williams. Is that, what's her name? Shalakia. What's your Hebrew name again? My bad, brother. That's brother, what's the name? What's your Hebrew name? Shalom King. So come on out, Israel. Zephaniah 2:1, gather yourselves together. Yea, gather together, O nation not desired, before the decree bring forth. So I just want to shoot y'all this video before I forget. And another 2-3 days go by, and I'm like, damn, I didn't make the New Orleans promotional video. Come on out, support March 11th through 15th. Contact me If you want to break bread, you want to go to the camp, you want to come to the family day cookout, you want to come to the pre-Passover class lesson, contact me so you can be vetted and we can make space for you. If you want to break bread, damn it, if you want to buy me a steak or a rack of lamb, you know, we can do that too. Go out and get some of that good bourbon. We can do that too. You know, you want to support the trip, you can give an offering. You know, or you want to just say a prayer that we have a beautiful trip and send some encouraging words. I can't make it, Elder, but I'm going to pray for y'all that everything goes well with y'all New Orleans trip and fellowshipping. You know, I don't really go nowhere unless I'm doing the work. You know, I rarely go on just a regular vacation. Anywhere I travel, I'm linking up with Bruce to do some kind of work, most I will. So not to toot my own horn, but that's what I'm about. I've been about that for about the last 5 years to 10 years. And I ain't traveling unless I can travel for pleasure. I mean, you know, to enjoy myself, but I'm going to do the work when I'm there. You know, I'm going to link with somebody. But that's neither here nor there. You know, damn it, if I ain't got nobody in that city, I'm going to do a live or something. I'm going to do something for edification. But anyway, once again, come on out, Israel. The scriptures say, gather ourselves together, Zephaniah 2:1. The Most High said, this gospel of the kingdom shall be preached in all the world. That includes here locally in the States too, you know. That's not just other countries, that's locally, that's in the states and cities also, all right? So, like I said, I want to come to y'all, bring this video out to give the announcement. Salakia, if I look a little tired and, you know, whatever, I've been up, going on almost 24 hours now. I've been up since 8 a.m. on the Shabbat, and it's almost 8 a.m. here. Not almost, but it's 4, I think it's 4 a.m. here on the West Coast. I'm 4 hours shy of being up for 24 hours straight. So bear with me. You know, we had a double up today, Sabbath class and camp. So it's been a long Shabbat going into the first day of the week. But anyway, I'm going to reiterate one more time. All right. Shalom. I don't know who that is, but anyway, Shalom, brother. New Orleans, H.O.I. nationwide. About 4 or 5 different states coming through. LA, Atlanta, Memphis, New York, New Jersey, coming through to meet up in New Orleans to have a unity camp / Passover, pre-Passover lesson class. All of Israel that are in the spirit are invited to come out. Yes, Shemaiah ben Israel. Yes, I'm out here in the West. Whoever that is. Shalom, fam. Yes, I'm out here in the West, brother. West Coast. All right, LA, Long Beach, Hollywood, all that good stuff. All right, wherever the work calls for. Right. So come on out, Israel. H.O.I. nationwide, unity camp, pre-Passover class weekend. Shalom, y'all are done. Well, y'all waking up on the East Coast, huh? Well, damn it, y'all been up all night on Clubhouse. No, I'm just kidding with y'all. But no folly. So once again, y'all keep interrupting me. I'm trying to make my final announcement. H.O.I. nationwide unity camp / pre-Passover class ceremony weekend, March 11th through 15th, New Orleans, Louisiana. Itinerary is Friday, March 11th. Travel day settling in. If you want to get together and break bread for the Shabbat, whatever, it's all good, Israel. Saturday, Shabbat, March 12th, 2022 will be camp in the French Quarter downtown. Sunday, March 13th, 2022 will be a family day cookout. Invite only. Monday, March 14th, Salakia. Monday, March 14th, 2022 at even will be a pre-Passover class lesson ceremony with new fruit that are trying to learn more about the Passover and the Most High. We will be doing a class. It's at a venue. It will be invite only. Anybody in the New Orleans area that wants to come, email me or message me here on here so you can come. You can be vetted and you can come. You can get an official invite. My email is houseofisraelnyc@gmail.com, or hit me here on my inbox me on my Facebook. All right, so come on out if you're in the New Orleans area. Shalom Hana. Come on out if you're in the New Orleans area and fellowship. You know, if you're part of the body already, but you know you're just there and you follow online, and you know you have your membership, you know, just from a distance. You know, we're possibly looking into setting up something there. We don't like to set up shop in these cities that got a plethora of camps already, but if people want the spirit of H.O.I out there, they want the spirit of H.O.I. That's just how it is nowadays. People go with the flow of, you know, which camp their spirit feels comfortable with. All right, so come on out, Israel, and support. Let's do the work together in New Orleans, and let's build this nation. And if you want to partake of anything, contact me. All right? Proverbs 20 and 24. Man's goings are of the Lord. How can then a man understand his own way? So if the Lord say the same, we'll be in New Orleans, March 11th through 15th. Oh, that Tuesday, March 15th, that's just a travel day. Most of us brothers will be heading out that day, you know, to get back to our respective cities. All right, and don't forget the actual Passover is coming up. Shalom Ben Israel. The actual Passover is coming up April 14th, 2022 at even. It will take place in Atlanta, Georgia. Well, Jonesboro, Georgia, right outside of Atlanta. Get your tickets for registration. Watch the video on H.O.I LA and on H.O.I Mustard Seed. We got the Passover video circulating with all the details. And we'll have the Passover itinerary will be coming out soon also. All praise to the Most High Yahushua. So that's the announcements, y'all. Salakia. You know, for the late night, early morning, depending on what coach you on. But I just want to bring this announcement to y'all. All right? Love y'all, Israel. St. Mark 12:31. So with that, peace, blessings, and the kingdom of heaven to the nation of Israel, death and destruction of Esau and the other nations. Let's come together, Israel. Gather yourselves together, O nation not desire. Sirach 36 and 11. Gather all the tribes of Jacob together and inherit thou them as from the beginning. I'm paraphrasing, but something to that effect. Kwame Sha'ala Israel. Let's come together. Meet us up in New Orleans, Louisiana. If you're in the territory and you're free, Kwame Sha'ala, come on out. Shalom, family. Come on out and fellowship with H.O.I in the New Orleans area. Right? Psalms 133, how beautiful and pleasant it is for brethren and sistren to dwell together in unity. All right, so hope to see y'all there in the building. Shalom, Mahar. Hope to see y'all there in the building in New Orleans, Louisiana, next weekend, 4-day weekend of fellowship, gathering on the front line battlefield with H.O.I. Be there or be square. You don't want to be no square-alike Hebrew in these last days. Now, come on out and fellowship with H.O.I, y'all. We're going to be in the building in the New Orleans area. The big easy. We're going to make it uneasy through the spirit of the Most High Yahushua. All right, so that's it, y'all. I'm going to get off of here, man. You know, Khan, y'all are done. Brothers and sisters will be there for Passover. Come on in. Get on in for your Passover because, you know, that time will go by like that. We got about 5-6 weeks out. So that time will go by like that. All right? So with that, once again, Israel, peace, safety, in the kingdom of heaven to the 12 tribes of Israel, death and destruction of Esau and the nations. Kwame Ashala, we still got next. Hallelujah. All praise to Yahweh and Yahweh Shai forever and ever. Amen. H.O.I to the chariots fly. Bring it out. H.O.I pull up, boys. All the camps in Yahweh and Yahweh Shai forever and ever. Amen. Priest Zabach signing off. Most High will, I will see y'all in Louisiana, New Orleans next weekend. Come on out and fellowship. Inbox me, email me for details. Hope to see you there, Israel. Kwame Sha'ala. Shalom.